Can you tell me again? Can you explain the same thing? Account values?
Application account debit 9
Okay.
lakhs. Legacy asset upload 6 lakhs. Remaining accumulation depreciation account credit 3 lakhs.
Okay. Acquisition value how much?
9 lakhs.
Acquisition value 9 lakhs. Okay. Upload account 6 lakhs. Acquisition depreciation? That's correct. So let's go to the Excel. Previously, what we did in a ECC. First, we will just right now we are going through the legacy asset upload. Legacy asset upload. So before going to talk about this difference, first of all, we will remind again. Just we will revision what happens in the ECC asset upload. Okay. This is generally we call as asset upload, right? Generally, this is asset upload. Whether you are in a ECC or S4, this is the asset legacy upload process we call. Okay. First, we will see what is this process here. Legacy asset upload. Legacy asset. What is a legacy? Legacy system asset. And that means what? You are using assets from 2010, 2015, 2018. That time you are not using SAP. Okay, recently you are migrating to your SAP system, S4 Hana system, or EC, whatever system it is. Now you want to bring all the old assets into your SAP system for the old system. That is what we call as a legacy system assets. The assets which you maintain in the legacy system, which are called as a legacy system assets or legacy assets. If you see this example, see here there is a tally system. Earlier back in 2015 they are using legacy. Legacy system is tally, and when they are using legacy tally system, they acquire one asset on 1st of April 2015. Useful life of years how many years? 20 years. And acquisition value 20 lakhs. And as of 1st of April 2025, what is accumulation depreciation? 10 lakhs. Why it is it 10 lakhs? 20 years already, 10 years is completed. So rest of the values, net book value is of 10 lakhs. As management decided move to SAP ERP from Tally ERP 1st of April 2025. So this is what we need to calculate. So we want to move from 1st of April 2025 from Tally system to SAP system. In the Tally system, we have this data. Acquisition date, this is the data. The same data we need to bring to here. How to bring it? We need to know when you purchase the asset. When you purchase that asset, what is the value of that asset? And till today or till 31st March 2025. And a year adi 31st March 2024. 2024 end of the financial year. 2024 end of the financial year. And that particular day, how much you have used the asset? How much you have used the asset? We need to calculate that. What is your acquisition date? At the time of acquisition, what is your acquisition value? As of upload date, what is your depreciation reduced? And what is the net book value? All these things we need to know. What are the things we need to know? Acquisition value, how much depreciated, and what is the net book value. Sorry. Based on these things, we will go and load into our SAP system. So here we are already getting that information. So when you acquire, what is the useful life years? When you purchase, what is the value? Till 31st March 2025, how much depreciation has calculated? And what is the net book value as on 31st March 2025? This is the old system. Now when it comes to here, what is on here? New SAP ERP system. Here what are we doing is, we will load legacy asset balances here. When we say legacy asset balances, what are the things we need to have? When you purchase the asset, what is the value? What is the percentage of depreciation? Till when you load into SAP, what is the balance and net book value? All this information we need to load into our SAP system. Is it clear, all of you? That is what we are going to do in the SAP system. Now you see here in SAP ERP, this is an SAP ERP. Acquisition date is 1st of April 2025. Useful life years 10 years, 20 years. How much already expired?
10 years.
10 years already we completed. 10 years already we completed. And then acquisition value 20 lakhs. As 10 years is already completed, how much of 20 lakhs it is? 10 lakhs it become. Out of 20 lakhs, it become 10 lakhs depreciation. So 20 lakhs minus 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs is your net book value. The same information which we have in the tally, same data we are bringing to your SAP system. Clear? So now, as management decided to move SAP ERP from tally ERP effective from 1st of April 2025, to do this activity, we need to set up cutover date in SAP as 31st March 2025. All of you know this one, right? 7th batch. Do you know cutover date? So what we are saying to the system is, any asset you want to bring into the SAP system, by which date you want to bring into that? From 31st March 2025. Before that only you need to do. Once it moved to the 1st of April 2025, you cannot bring those assets, because from 1st of April 2025, which system you are using? SAP. Now 1st of April 2025 you purchase the asset. Will you book in the tally or SAP system? SAP. Now is there any need to do with before 31st March 2025? Whichever the assets you purchased before 31st March 2025, those assets only we can bring into SAP system before 31st March 2025. After that, whichever the asset you acquired, all of them we will post directly in the SAP. No tally here. That is what we call as a cutover date. Clear all 7th batch? I hope everyone remain again. So to do this activity, we need to set up cutover activity in SAP as 31st March 2025, so that the assets are available before on 31st March 2025. Those are the legacy systems. Once we started using SAP ERP from 1st of April 2025, we don't have to acquire them in tally. Directly we can post in SAP as new asset acquisition. Clear, all of you? Any concerns on this? So this is the process, whether you are using ECC system or S/4HANA system. Now we are going to see what are the different steps we follow in the ECC, different steps we follow in the S/4HANA. In ECC, what are the steps we are following? Set up cutover date for legacy asset upload. Tarvata create legacy asset. Then check the balances in the asset explorer. Then upload OASP. Well, the accounting documents. Nothing much. The configuration is only cutover date. Then once you upload this data, this is accounting entry. I think. Okay, to make you difference, I made a 9 lakhs. Okay, last time. But see. Okay. So now the asset acquisition was how much? 20 lakhs. So till 31st March 2025, what is the depreciation calculated? 9 lakhs. What is the leftover balance? 11 lakhs. What is 11 lakhs? Net book value. So here we cannot upload the net book value. That's why we are using asset upload account. Asset upload account. So anytime you see accumulation depreciation asset account, you need to calculate both of them. If you calculate both of them, what is the balance? 11 lakhs. 11 lakhs. That is your net book value of the asset. So in the tally, it is 11 lakhs. In SAP also, it is 11 lakhs. Is it correct, the data? This is what the process we used to follow earlier. Now we will look at the differences between ECC and S/4HANA. In ECC, there was no real-time integration between GL and asset. That's why what we did, we upload the asset balances here and we upload the asset related GL balances here. This AS91 was only updating in the AW01. This OASP is only updating in the FB03 accounting document. Because there is no integration between GL and there is integration, but there is no real-time integration between asset and GL. See, that's what we are talking again here. In ECC, there was no real-time integration between GL and asset accounting, due to which when you upload the asset legacy balances in AS91, system was updating only values in Asset Explorer. Asset Explorer lo maatrame adi update chesedi. Then later what happened? To update GL balances related assets, we used to use OASP. Signage. Okay. So in ECC, we did not have option to automate document type for this legacy. Okay, fine. You understand this point now? AS91 asset update cheste, OASP GL update chesedi. No integration. There is no integration. So now we will see in S4 now what will happen. In S4 HANA, we have real-time integration between asset and GL. This is like real-time integration between, there is no real-time integration, but S4 there is a real-time integration between finance and asset, or asset and GL. That means that whatever you enter in asset should be there in the GL, or whatever you enter in the GL related to asset, that should be there in the asset. Clear? So because of this one, what happened? Instead of using AS91 and OASP, you don't have to use now AS91 also. You don't have to use OASP also. What you need to do? We can directly upload the balances through ABLDT. So that the balances will be updated in the asset as well as GL simultaneously. Is it clear? So once you do the ABLDT, it will also update in the AW01 and it also generate the accounting document. Note, we cannot upload asset balance through AS91. We can change legacy values in the AS92. I already shown you, right? AS91 in the ECC, we have a takeover values option in the top right that side. But in the S4 HANA, that option is not there. But in case if you go to AS92, it will be there in the S4 HANA. Next, in ECC, we did not have option to automate document for asset legacy uploads. Now in S4 HANA, we have option to automate document for asset legacy uploads as a part of real-time integration between finance and okay. We need to automate this one. And also earlier we don't have a one point is missing. In ECC, did not have option to automate upload account. We used to enter in the OASP menu. S4 lo you need to configure it. We have option to automate we have option to upload. We have option to automate upload account. So that when you upload asset balances, Then upload the asset balances. Then upload the asset balance and ability. Automatically it will trigger. It will trigger to ABL DT to generate accounting document. Okay, so let's take this file and put it in the Word document. Export. S4 legacy asset upload. So these are the differences we have. Now we will see the S4 లో steps ఏమేం చేయాలి. First ఏం చేయాలి? This లో what you did? Set up the cutout date for legacy asset upload. Same thing మనం S4 లో కూడా we need to do. First thing is we need to set up the cutout date. Number 1, set up cutout date for asset upload. What is the number 2? Second option. Yeah. So దీనికన్నా ముందు there is something. Create GL account for asset upload. Configure asset upload account automatic postings. Asset upload account configure asset upload account for automatic postings. Next one, create document for asset upload. Same, configure asset upload document type for automatic postings. Configure asset upload document type for automatic. Is it clear? So we will follow all these steps. I'll just configure this one. I'll not create any kind of documentation now. Tomorrow I'll create a documentation. I simply demo to you how to do it. So first we're going to set up this cutout date. What is the T code? The T code is FA_CMP. Okay, you can come like this, or you can go to the path ORFA asset data transfer parameters for data transfer, define data transfer. Same screen will come, okay. FA underscore CMB it is there, and it is coming now FA underscore CMB underscore LED. LED means legacy data transfer. Our company code is IN78. So go to legacy data transfer, click on change. So right now nothing is available here. Just click on the create. It's a little bit different process, okay. What is this? 03/31st 2020. So in the discuss cutout data by when system has to get the data by 31st March 2025. That means 1st of April 2025 the data will be ready. That means from 1st of April 2025 financial year you can use SAP data. Right now is it in preparation or ongoing? It's in a preparation right now. And what is the document type? There is a by standard document that we have. Just give me 1 minute. You can use UE. UE is a data transfer. Okay, that's all. Automatically it is coming. Just click on save. Okay, that's all. See, if you go to ledger wise, it is not there. If you go to ledger wise, it is not available. It can be done at a company code level. So legacy data transfer, that's what we call as a LDT. Fine. So there are different stages. Now in preparation is done. We are once we started uploading the data, we will make it as a ongoing. So let's keep this way. What is the next step we have? The next step is create GL account for asset upload. This already we did, okay. These two steps already completed because I am using standard only. Okay. Now what are the steps we need to perform? Second and third one. Second one and third one. Create GL account for asset upload. Okay. What can I do is 259999. It is just dummy account. Tomorrow I will create another account by making the documentation. Balance sheet, assets, asset upload account. So it's a recon account. Recon account, right? Is it recon account, Mahesh? Vijay? It's not a recon account, okay? The GL account is 259999. You did this one. What is next step? Configure asset upload for automatic posting. Go to ORFA, asset data transfer. What is this? Previously we went for this one. Previously we went for this. Right? IN78 in process and all the things we given. Now what we are doing? We are specifying the GL account. What is the company code? Sorry, chart account IN78. GL account is this. 2599. What else we have? These two things we did, and all 5 steps has been completed. What is the next step we have? Asset upload. We need to create the upload data. So legacy, fixed asset, create asset master data for legacy asset. It is very same in the ECC S4HANA. Only the change is in the ECC we had a takeover values. Here we don't have a takeover values. That is only difference. IN 78100. It is error. See what it is doing now. So when you are in the configuration, it is a in process. Once it is done, what you need to change? Ongoing. There are two things in the ongoing. So while you're doing the asset upload, other postings are asked to allow. Or while you're doing the upload, other transactions are not allowed. So those any one of the option you need to select. See in your company code IN78. So there is ongoing, other postings allowed. If you select ongoing, it will not allow other postings. Only asset migration will be happening. Asset migration will be happening. If you select the ongoing other postings, then what will happen? You can also upload the assets. You can also upload the other postings. The best practice is only ongoing because it does not impact any other company code. It will only impact the specific company code. So at this, when you're doing this activity, we will send an email to the business. You'll send email to the business that for this particular company code at this from this time to this time, we are performing this asset migration. Please do not post any postings. Even if you try to post, system is not going to allow. That's what we will give the information. Always best to select ongoing. If it is a major, if it's a minor ones, you go with the ongoing other postings. So what happened? Settings has been saved. Clear? Once this is done, we need to mark it as a complete legacy data transfer. Now go back to the create legacy asset. See what happened now? It is come. So here, which one is a mandatory field? Capital AS field. So whereas if you go to the AS01, it's the same screen as a AS01, right? Let me show you. In AS01 also same screen, right? You also have a calculation date. Why there is a display mode? Why there is a mandatory in the AS91? AS01 is a display. Now where we are in? AS91. Why it is a mandatory? See, there is a mandatory. Previous in the AS01 it was not mandatory. What is the difference? There is no. That is a master data. This is also master data, but this is for legacy. You see the heading itself is legacy. That means previously 8 years back or 9 years back or 10 years back, you purchased this asset. You understand? That's why we need to give the old date here. Asset vehicles. Hunter. Which company? Which company? Royal Enfield Hunter. Oh, there. Royal Enfield Hunter. Then, so what is the calculation date?
03/31. 04/01.
What I will do is I will take 2016, okay, so that you will not have the same values. If you take 2015, it will go with the 10 years as useful life. It will have differences. So 2016 low you purchase this, and then enter this. Enter. So here A1 means what? I want to go by the percentage from useful life. 78 B1. For all of them, I want to go same way. 78 B1. Anyway, it's 78 B1. So what is the useful life? 20 years. 20 years. And then this is also a 20 years. So what is the depreciation from start date? So 1st of April 2025, 1st of April 2025. First of April 2025. So how many years? See total how many years? 20 years. From to the 2025, how many years is completed? 9 years. You see here, what is this? Expired useful life. Already completed useful life. Already completed useful life is 9 years. Already completed the useful life is 9 years. Now we have 11 years. So 20 lakhs. So if 9 lakhs is gone, how much value we have? 11 lakhs. 11 lakhs is going to be your net book value. We will see that now. Just click on save. What happened? The asset created 1,006. Earlier in ECC, if you just create legacy asset like this with the values, what it used to update? Asset Explorer. You remember? It used to update the Asset Explorer balances. AW. But do you see any values here? Why? In S4 Hana, AS91 cannot upload any asset balances. Only ABL D2, ABL DD. Once you do that, it updates in the asset also, it updates in the GL also. So there is no values here. Is it clear? Even though you created a legacy asset, there is no balances updated. We'll go back to the same point again. See? When you upload the asset legacy balance in AS91, system was updating values in Asset Explorer, where in ECC. Then to update GL balances related to asset, we used to use OASV transaction. Okay. So what we did just now, we used the AS91, we uploaded the balances. Was it updated in Asset Explorer? It was not updated. Now let's go and see OASV whether we have or not in S4. Do you see the T code itself? The T code itself is not available. Okay. So S4 we'll see what it is. In S4, as we have real-time integration between asset and GL, instead of using AS91 and OASV, we can directly upload the asset balance through ABL. So what we need to use now? ABL DD we need to use. So that the asset balances will be updated in the asset as well as GL simultaneously. What we will do now? We will go to the ABL DD and update the balance. So Asset Explorer also should have a balance. Accounting document also will have a balance. Okay, this is the ABL. This is the path. Okay. So here we are uploading the asset balance, and here we have an option to post the transfer balance. See your company code. What is your asset? 13006. That's all. Just continue. See what is your acquisition value? 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, 20 lakhs. Area 30 also. It is 20 lakhs. Area 40 also it is. Now, ordinary depreciation, how much it is calculated? 9 lakhs. 9 years means 9 lakhs. Then that's all. Just, I think a ledger's history may come. UE document numbering is maintained here. Numbering history may come, but let's see. Account we maintain, right? Offsetting account for legacy data transfer. Save it. Okay, let's come back again. Let's go back. See. We saved or not? We entered, I think we, without saving, we can't back. Okay, fine. Now GL issue we resolved. Maybe it will ask GL like document number issue. This one. Anyway, we'll see. 20 lakhs. Order depreciation. Let's click on simulate. See, there are some errors. Document numbers. Posting period. Okay, so 31st March అంటే ఎక్కడ 2024 కదా 31st March 2025 అంటే ఇట్స్ నా లాస్ట్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ ద 2024. Let's open the PA. What is the P code? Gobi. Okay, it's available now. I'm going back again. ORFA, set data transfer, manual data transfer, post transfer. Again, we need to enter same data. How much? 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Other depreciation? 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. Just simulate. Still there is a error. See? UE. Document type. UE. Number in itself is not there. Let's maintain the 90. Okay, someone is using 90. What can we do now? Okay, I'm using 91. Maintain the number in this IN. Seven, 8, 9, 1, right? 91002 91. Okay, X1 is already there. Okay, so what we will do now? I will change the number. Okay. Make it as 92. 92 someone is using. 98. It's 98. Your NL ledger? Hana లేదా? Nagaland. 90. మొత్తం ఎన్నెళ్ళే మొత్తం కబ్జా చేసినాడు. 94. Okay. 97. Okay, this is done. Go back. I think now another error you will get. This is for only 0L ledger. What is the other ledgers we have? Let's see if those are fine. See, E1 and E2. So we need to open periods for E1, E2 ledgers. These are the parallel ledgers. So this also going to post the data. So that's why it is checking for this one. Once you correct this data, what is the other error we can expect? Document numbers. Still there are errors because there is no number ranges for E1 and E2. What I can do is I can use the same number ranges. We had earlier number ranges, right? We can use them. E1, copy this. It's a UU, right?
Yes.
This one. Sorry. Okay, so we corrected all the data. Now, how many ledgers it will post? How many accounting principles? All the 3 accounting principles it is going to post. Okay, there are some warning messages. Let's see. Trading part. That's fine, no issue. So, what is accounting entry here? What is this? 250100. What is that? Acquisition account. Did you enter the GL account? We did not enter the GL account. Next one, what is this? 150100. Accumulated depreciation, how much? 9 lakhs. Did you enter this GL account? But in ECC, we need to enter all the 3 items: debit and hourly, credit and hourly, money. Here you just enter your asset number. Automatically from asset, these 2 items has come. From our legacy upload configuration, this account has come. What is this? 259999 asset upload account. So your acquisition value was 20 lakhs. Till 31st March 2025, you use the depreciation of rupees 9 lakhs. Now your net book value is 11 lakhs. So right now, which accounting principle it is? Ledger is coming 0L. What is accounting principle for 0L? Local accounting principle. Local reporting accounting principle. So now if you go to, this is what we have. Even if you want to see, it's the same. 0L ledger. Next, go for other ones. Say for this also document UE and ledger is E1. Same values, same accounting entry, everything is same. Did you enter the profit and segment? How this is coming? From asset master data. Asset master data. And also it is coming. This is another accounting principle, IFRS reporting. It is also coming. Any questions here? So you remember when we upload the asset balances in OASP, text fields low, what are the options we used to give? Asset 1, then asset 2, all the 3 levels. Here also we are giving asset 1, here also we was giving asset 1, here also we were giving asset 1. Here it is not necessary because the asset, based on asset number itself, we are doing it. In ECC, were you able to do asset wise? No, asset was differently you are uploading. GL was separately you are doing. Now what you are doing? Directly for asset you are doing it. Directly for the asset you are doing it. So with this, it will update the balance in the asset level also. It will update the balance in the GL level also. So till here, anyone has any questions? Please let me know. Anyone from online also, please let me know if you have any questions. Just go back and post the data. See what happened? three documents generated. What are the three documents? One is in the local reporting accounting principle, another is a group reporting accounting principle, another is a IFRS accounting. This one. So we will take this screenshot and one by one document we will check. At the same time, we also check the asset explorer. So when you upload the AS91, no balance is updated. Now we will see whether balance is updated or not. So first of all, we will go and check this accounting documents. So first accounting document we are going to see what zero ledger, that is 8 all zeros. 8 9 all zeros. 5003 8 9 all. Okay. So what is accounting entry? Asset account debit, accumulation depreciation credit, asset upload account credit. So if you go and see what is here, there is asset number. If you go to next line item also there is a asset number. If you go to next line item you won't have, because that is not a economy. Understand? If you calculate both of these, whichever the balance we have, that is a net book value. That is a net book. Is it clear? In the ECC, were you able to get like this asset number? Then what you used to do? Star. What you used to do in asset upload in ECC? We used to enter asset number here, either in the assignment or in the text. We used to enter asset number 1, asset number 2, asset number 3. All of you remember that? Yeah, in the assignment we directly in our text, somewhere text or assignment we used to enter the asset number. But here did you enter any asset number, the text on the? In the input selection only you are entering the asset number. Based on that it is coming into your accounting document also. See, this is the asset number and this is the asset number. Is it clear all of you? This is the one document in the zero ledger. In the zero ledger, what is the T code? ABLDD. But what is the reference transaction? AS91. FIAA old assets data. The document type is UE data transfer. Now let's go and see the next accounting document. What is the next accounting document? 11000014. 11000014. See, what is this? This is posted where? It is posted in the E1. Here also what is accounting entry? Same. Asset account debit 20 lakhs, accumulation depreciation account credit 9 lakhs, asset upload account credit 11 lakhs. Even here also if you see there is a asset. There is a asset. Okay. So this is commonly we have. This is available here. If you want to go by accounting principle wise, you can go for this. Even previous one also it was there, this accounting option. What is the last one? 130012. 0130000. See here which ledger it is posted? E2 ledger, and there is a, it is also going to accounting principle wise. This is IFRS reporting accounting principle. And if you want to see ledger wise also it will be there. So it is there E2 where it will be posted additionally. E2 additionally posted to F2. Additionally posted to F2. Understand? E1 additionally posted to go to here. E1 additionally posted to F1. Still there is asset accounting also. See directly where it is going to? Directly it is going to group reporting. Next one, if you see the normal document, I mean zero ledger document, where this also will be posted? F0. Zero it is posted. మీరు జీరోలకి ఇవన్నీ మీరు అసైన్ చేసిన కాబట్టి ఇవన్నీ వచ్చినాయి, అదర్వైజ్ R0 U0 will not come. Okay, ours is F0. So F0 ledger F0 posted in ledger 0. Okay. Now for this also if you want to click on asset accounting, which accounting principle it will go? Local accounting principle. Local reporting accounting principle. Any questions on this? So it is updated in the asset account. It is updated in the GL accounting with the asset values. Now what we need to check? Asset explorer. We need to check the asset explorer. If we check the asset explorer, the balance should be available. Did you upload anything in the AS91? No. But in ECC we used to upload in the AS91. Okay. You see this been updated. So what happened here? What it is saying? Values for ordinary depreciation changed to see the comparison of old asset value, new asset value. Let's go modular. Okay. Okay, I think we need to run this one. Let's run this one. If you are getting that kind of information misses, you just execute. This is a AFAR, it is there in ACs also. It's not a new thing in SQL. Now go on see okay. See what happened in 2024? You upload the value of asset how much? When you purchase value, how much? 20 lakhs. We are 9 years back. From 9 years onwards, how much depreciation calculated? 9 lakhs. Value adjusted. Why it is not coming to ordinary depreciation? Because in SAP you did not calculate any ordinary depreciation. That is previously already calculated. That's why what it is coming? Value adjusted. Even in S4, even in ECs also, when you transfer, when you scrap, automatically it will go for value adjusted. In the same way, it is coming in the value adjusted. So 9 years back, your purchase value is 20 lakhs. Since last 9 years, your depreciated value is 9 lakhs. So as of end of the 2024 financial year, what is your net book value? 11 lakhs. This will carry forward to 2025. That we will see that when we carry forward the balance in the next class, we are going to see these values will be moved to 2025 financial year. Now, if you go further down, see earlier in the ECC, you are not getting this information. Were you getting this information? It was just empty. It was just empty. No transaction type, no nothing. In S4 only it will come. So what is the transaction type? 980 asset data transfer from legacy system to SAP. Go to the posted values. So there is no posted values because still you have a 2024 financial year. When you upload this balance, that was March 2025. That means end of the 2024. That's why there is no depreciation data. If you go to 2025, I think something we need to calculate here, so it will come. We need to I think we need to carry forward the balances. Then these balances will come with the depreciation. Maybe let's. Okay, anyway, we will check this one. But you see this value is the 2024. I think once we carry forward from 2024 to 2025, you get this balances in the year of 2025. Yeah. I think we need to carry forward so that the data will be shown. But as far as asset upload is concerned, you understand now? It is going to asset explorer also, and it is going to accounting also. Okay. Any questions now? So this is what we call as asset upload in the S4 file. Now once you completed this one, the final step is Once asset balance is uploaded, just go to the asset data transfer, same preparation for data transfer. Go here and just what we need to do. Is it still ongoing on or is it completed? It's completed. Once it is completed, we need to change the status. Do you see any status? Nothing is there. We need to do the flag. Complete legacy transfer. See what happened now? Legacy data transfer segment completed for company code IN. So now this data has been updated. So with this we will close, like it will be in the asset data upload in the system. So is it easy process or ECC only easy process? This very easy. There you need to do asset upload and OASV, lot of things you need to do, like Mali, you need to write LSW, all those things. But in S4 HANA, this is a individual asset if you want to do. But if you want to do in a bulk, you don't have to write LSW. There is something called a data migration app. There is something called data migration app. We'll just check that app. I will not load any data. I'll just show you the app and we will close the class. Because in the tomorrow class, we need to upload the asset balances and also we need to use that app. S4. So we are going to, what is the app? Is it? Migrate your data. Migrate your data. So if you go here, you can create your own projects. See, last time also no one using this one. I think last time first we only created, right? See, someone created this data, but someone VRIT tech, something institute people they created in the month of when? In the month of March. We only did, right, in the month of March. February. I think that data is not available, our data. That's fine. So this is the app we will go and use. So tomorrow, again, we will load the data which we have seen. And also tomorrow we will use this app to upload the GL master data, asset master data, vendor master data. No LSW, no nothing. But if you know already, if you have a LSW knowledge, in different ways it will help you. Okay. That's all. So that's all for current class. Anyone has any questions from the online people?
No, sure.
No questions? If there is no questions, that's all. So before coming to tomorrow class, again go through one more time this talk. I'll save the document. You just go through the points, and if you have time, go through LSW. Okay, these two things you do. Then we will understand. Tomorrow we are going to close the S4 HANA. No questions from online?
Hi, sure.
Yes, sir.
S4 HANA completely closed, or is this asset accounting only closing?
S4 HANA completely closed. What else we have in F5?
FIMM, FISD, is there any changes, Ishwar, or is it quite common with the ECC?
There are changes, but we will not take care. CO people will take care of that. There is something called material lecture and other things. That's a big concept. If I start that one, we will face many errors and other things. It's waste of time. There is one important concept called material lecture that will be activated by CO. Sir?
At least theoretically, OBYC, this changes.
So you go and check, sir. You already completed normal thesis, right? Same thing you check. Okay, I'm giving the way all the which are the important ones.
Okay.
OBYC and all no changes. Okay, there is something called the material lecture. Those are things has been changed, and Metidoc A has come. Earlier we had Exidoc A in accounting. There they have something Metidoc, something the tables they have. And as we had a simple finance earlier, they also have simple logistics in initial place. Now everything we are calling as S4 HANA. Previously Initially it was simple finance, then it was simple logistics. Like that, all the things will come. Now everything we are calling as S4 HANA.